Why you need to buy FEG token before it's too late. This will explode. In this video, you're going to find the latest token that has the potential to disrupt the crypto industry, as well as the latest from FEG about the FEGEX version 2.0. We're going to examine that update and determine if there will indeed be a price increase upon its release. Welcome to Crypto Live. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. The next few minutes will be dedicated to discussing the capabilities of the exchange and a few more details about FEG token, so make sure you stay tuned. Get the latest news on FEG version 2.0 and let me know if you're bullish on when you get an effect so we can start talking. FEGEX provided the following update from Breaking Live that happened just last June 20th. Just stopping in to let everyone know that things are moving ahead on our end and we are about to begin testing FEGEX version 2.0. So FEGEX 2.0 should arrive within the next couple of weeks. The exchange, which is going to change the face of crypto forever, is a revolutionary one. Therefore, if you put your money into a FEG token and it has been going pretty well, although we know that until today, you need to remember that the market is currently down. There is a downtrend in the crypto market in general, so it's likely that every cryptocurrency will also be down. But I am bullish on the token, obviously. Do your own research. It is not financial advice, but based on my DYOR. I am bullish on the long-term performance of this token. So here is the latest look at the FEGEX exchange, guys, and here is a zoom in for you to see it. There is going to be a Binance to Ethereum bridge, which is the most revolutionary decentralized exchange in terms of hyper-deflationary governance tokens. Likewise, we know that you can already trade the FEG token on both platforms, demonstrating the remarkable anti-dumping technology of both platforms. There is anti-dumping technology in FEGEX version 2.0, front-running bot protection, so I'm looking forward to see what it looks like, and I know you were too. So, bots aren't going to be part of the app frictionless rewards, will be provided by FWraps. You can FWrap your tokens and earn rewards, transaction fees distributed among fake holders, which will be addressed in a minute. However, how do wrapped tokens work? In addition to the underlying assets or currencies backed by wrapped tokens, there are a variety of organizational roles and algorithmic checks and balances. The transactions related to wrapped tokens can be processed much faster because they do not need to be sent across multiple blockchains. Active traders benefit from smart wraps, and traders who use auto slippages are just some of the examples. You can see a lot of different influencers that have been promoting FEG tokens as well, such as Mark DeMiglio, David Goshen, Majestic, and Juicy J. The tokens are attracting a lot of attention, and the community is growing stronger and stronger. There are more than 650,000 people holding the FEG token, which is priced well below a cent. Now that it will be super exciting, let's pull up the chart and find out what the actual price is. However, 116,000 people are keeping an eye on it. As I mentioned, it is currently priced below a cent. Taking the price at last June 25th at 12 p.m. UTC as an example, it is around 0.000001 cent in US dollars. In other words, about 6 or 7 decimals below a penny. There are 600,000 holders. So obviously this is around early May, so a month ago, when it went completely haywire. There were a lot of people who made a lot of money here, some who pulled out a nice little correction, and others made a really sharp jump. This is where, for sure, we thought it would reach an all-time high, because you probably bought in right around this time in May. But since then, not just this currency, but the whole cryptocurrency market has fallen off dramatically. Therefore, I don't believe it's a big deal, but I do believe we're going to see a lot of people once we see the FEGEX exchange. And why is that so? It is indeed expected that there will be a price increase once FEGEX 2.0 is released. Thus, keep an eye out for the release of the second version of it. I think it will be monumental for the token, for the community, and for the platform. Consequently, I'm eager to take a closer look at that and learn more about it. In the first place, if you look at the website, fegtoken.com, that they have online, they tell you how many tokens are in circulation and how many have been burned. I believe they've burned about half of the supply already. It is encouraging to see the FEGEX exchange as a side note, mainly because I mentioned the smart swap technology that will be built into it that allows users to exchange on either standard swaps or smart swaps. Smart swaps are specifically for swing traders and charge 50 less fees. It will result in costs being reduced, the technology to prevent rugs from being pulled up, and anti-bot features. There are no bots available, but the technology FWrap Smart Liquidity Auto Slip can be used. I think it will be a revolutionary exchange because there is so much good stuff to offer. The FEG token will be coming along with that, and I think we're looking forward to Exchange releasing a version 2 of itself. Obviously, it will be absolutely insane, but a token is part of the whole thing. People aren't aware of the token, so let me tell you about it. It features an Ethereum smart contract, which is part of ERC20, as well as the Binance Smart Chain. It is also said that it is a hyperinflationary token with a circulating supply of 100 quadrillion at most. However, I think that more than half of those were burned. Also, 1% tax will be distributed to the holders and 1% tax will be burned for each transaction. That's what's going to happen with every transaction. Over time, holders are incented to hold their coins by burning 1% and returning the other percent to the holders, thus decreasing the circulating supply. Lastly, everyone who's ever taken macroeconomics class knows that as well. When supply falls, the demand goes up. So I like tokenomics and how 1% is burned on every transaction and 1% is returned to the holders. That is 2%. It's very fascinating to see that, and there's a roadmap we're able to view. They have been very transparent about their roadmap. Moreover, FEG token started its existence in January. It was listed on Uniswap. February was for marketing, March was for the token launch, and in April, it began to offer actual gold farms that you can invest in. Lastly, in my humble opinion, I think June will be the biggest month of the year for a number of reasons. Do you have the same opinion? FEGEX 2.0 will therefore include a FEG's auto pairs functionality. There is also the listing of FEGEX trading pairs and, of course, the link between Binance and Ethereum. And surely, when it launches, I believe that a number of people are going to use the FEGEX 2.0 exchange. It's been amazing to experience the community's amazing support and blow my mind. Among the reasons some investors purchase their first token is that it is a good investment. Moreover, they like to evaluate the other things too, including the memes. If you look at the token here, it is a very memorable token. A lot happens with this token, from the gorilla to the feet of every gorilla. FEGEX 2.0 sounds really exciting to me, and I am equally excited about the mission behind it. It's nice to know that anti-dumping technology exists here and that it's the future, and it is one of their winning features. Exchanges that are decentralized are the future. No one controls the exchange, and this is why I'm looking forward to seeing what the new FEGEX 2.0 will look like. In light of the fact that we can anticipate this version 2 to be released soon, have you already placed this token in your portfolio? By then, I expect it to hit 1 million, and it will be interesting to see what happens to the token price. And for sure, there will be an increase in its price. The token right now is undervalued for what this app can do and its capabilities on the FEGEX exchange, but the market cap is 320.99 million. The volume was 4.88 million, and I'm recording this when the market is down in general. But we'll see what happens. Look, it took off for a little while, it came back, it took off, it's kind of come back because the crypto market has been down. And it will be interesting to see what happens through the remainder of June and through July. The FEG exchange will go live when it becomes listed. That's what I'll honestly say right now. It's going to be a massive pump. That is my personal opinion, so I'm going to keep the dollar cost averaging until that news comes out, and then maybe we can reevaluate. How about you? What's your strategy here? I am excited about the FEG token, guys. Let me know in the comments if you're part of the FEG community. Can you tell me if you are bullish on the FEG token? Because this is something I am bullish on. So is FEG token a good investment? To hold FEG, you get a decent deal for a cheap token. Basically, they wrap other currencies on their own and exchange them, especially that FEGEX 2.0 is soon to be released. So if you do believe in this token's potential, still it is advisable to do your own research, DYOR, and only spend what you can afford to lose. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.